time to meet the people who made a difference. The idols of this generation here on VIP Pass. He is the person who dared to be the voice of his generation. Pinoy rock icon, Ellie Buendia. And now he dares to start from zero.
Well, everybody starts from zero. Everybody starts from nothing. But that doesn't mean you have to stay there. From there, you can go wherever you want to go, do whatever you want to do. As long as you do it honestly and with conviction.
With this in mind, Ellie finds a way to quench his thirst.
Excited ako dito sa campaign na to dahil I've always been a fan of Coke and medyo hindi na lang ako nakakainom because of my sakit. But right now, since zero sugar talaga siya, I can still enjoy the Coke flavor that I loved as a kid, and you can too. So do buy Coke.